Hey, good evening, everybody. This is our live impromptu Tuesday training, and we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing PLR videos. And if you already have Francis's videos, you can pick them up, or if you don't have them, you can get them at the plrshow.com/Francis O. And we have a bonus over there that we are doing, and we're going to be adding to that actually probably before the end of tomorrow, which is when the videos go up in price, depending on when you're seeing this. If you're seeing this on a Tuesday night, you've probably got another 24 hours and those videos are going to go up in price. So let's talk about how you're going to use these videos. Of course, I would be remiss if I didn't remind you that we have our own PLR video launch. If you have not seen it, you can get our ClickFunnels 3.0 tutorials, which include the 1.0 and 2.0 tutorials. You can get those at the plrshow.com/CFNLS, then the number 3. Okay, so let's talk about the affiliate marketing PLR videos. Um, and I want to backtrack over just some basics that I did in my PLR game plan. I'm going to fly through this. I've already covered this um, previously. Just everything's going to depend on your audience. If you are an MMO marketer, in other words, your audience is JVZoo Warrior Plus, then you can probably sell it without your customers knowing you all that well. Outside of that market, you're going to need to have some kind of list and presence, and you always want to um, add the course to a video academy, if you can at all do that. And then you also want to use our bonus that we are giving you. So that's what I covered the other night in the PLR game plan. I'm going to cover some new things here tonight. Okay, so one thing you want to think about is, do you regularly launch information products? And sometimes when I do these trainings, I assume that's what you're doing. And I know that's not always the case. And in fact, I know most people don't really launch on a regular basis, whether that's inside the MMO market or outside the MMO market. And so I just want to kind of make sure that you understand that that's a distinct kind of business model. And I understand not everybody does it. And if you were to buy PLR videos, let's say on the Warrior Plus network or on JVZoo network, you probably aren't going to go back to that same network and sell them without kind of a specific strategy. I will go over that strategy. Most people are not going to do this. I understand that. The second strategy I'm covering tonight, that's what most people are going to do, but I will go over this just so that we cover everything. Basically, anytime you have videos, I always suggest you add it to your video membership. So that's first and foremost. So you add those to your videos to your video membership, and then you announce it to your members and non-members. You would tell them that you've got something new in there, and then you make sure that both sets of people know. The people who are in your membership, for some people, that's what they're going to want to see, new content on something they're interested in to stay subscribed. Other people, that may take them off the fence and they may want to subscribe as a result. But again, this does assume that you're launching on a regular basis, again, whether that's inside the MMO market or not. One thing that you're going to do is turn the videos into a front-end offer. And so you're going to turn it into a product to sell. And whether you use their sales page, use another sales page, or you adapt their sales page into something like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, you will then create your own front end offer. Again, you will probably not be able to use the free traffic from Warrior Plus. They typically do have you go through a disclosure statement that says, if it's not your original product, they're not going to give you the marketplace traffic. Right. So the only way around that is that you're going to basically launch a different product in Warrior Plus. And by launching a different product in Warrior Plus, when you launch it, you will get access to the Warrior Plus marketplace with your offer. You just will not be launching the affiliate marketing PLR video offer. You would then do something related to affiliate marketing. So basically, maybe your subject is going to be affiliate marketing. Maybe you're going to give templates. Maybe you're going to do some kind of special training that will relate to the 3-hour training that you're going to be selling that Francis is giving you. But you're basically going to do something related to affiliate marketing. You will then go to the Warrior Plus network. Now, again, don't just put free content on there just to get the traffic. Do try to put something on there that's going to be of value to people and that you really expect they're going to buy. So, go through the process of putting together a solid offer. I don't really endorse going to that network just to get free clicks, because it doesn't end up working out in the long run. It's not necessarily a business model. It's really kind of short-sighted. So again, if you've got something that you want to go to that marketplace with that's related to affiliate marketing, you can use Francis's course as the upsell to whatever it is that you are offering. Now, I will say again at the start that if you're not a regular person, if you're not launching on a regular basis, then this is kind of a little overkill, and you're probably not going to do this. So that being said, I do want to walk through another scenario that's probably more likely to be something that everyone's going to do if they're not launching products on a regular basis and you have these videos from Francis. Basically, I first suggest you watch the entire course, all 3 hours, right? Start to finish. And that, at least one sitting that you watch it and that you don't listen to it. So again, I realize that that's not necessarily the point. The point is supposed to be done for you. But for this strategy, you do need to watch the entire course. You need to know what's in it. I also suggest that you watch our entire course bonus. And again, now my course, the front end course on lead pages, that's about an hour. The back end course on lead pages, that's about an hour. I suggest you watch both of those courses all of the way through. And it's going to be necessary in order to do this so that you know what's in it. Once you do that, what you're going to do is, as you're watching those courses, write down each service that is talked about. Write down each related service that's talked about, because what you're then going to do is you're going to go and get affiliate links for all of those services. So whatever it is, if it's an autoresponder, if it's domain names, go and get an affiliate link of some kind for all of the services all together. Now, again, if you do this one time, you won't have to go and do this again. Now, you may already have this in someplace written down, all your affiliate links. If you don't, this is probably a good chance. This is a good time to do that, where you go and get affiliate links for everything, autoresponders, domain names, page builders, membership platforms, everything, right? So get all your services, get all your affiliate links, put them in a spreadsheet or put them in a Word document. Doesn't matter where you put it, just as long as you have it someplace where you can get it. But for this strategy, you want to get them all down. Once you do that, right, you want to go through all of those services and look for the ones with recurring payments. So, look for the ones that are going to be things that people are likely to buy, that they're likely going to need, and that they have recurrings with them. Autoresponders are like that. So, you get to be an affiliate of someplace, something like Aweber or GetResponse. Those are good platforms, because people are going to need to use them on an ongoing basis if they're building a list, if they're serious about their online business. And if you send them there, I think it's 30% for Aweber. I don't know what it is for GetResponse, but you can get an affiliate link from them. And I don't even think you have to be a customer. So you can get affiliate links, page builders, right? So, you're going to send them to, stuff like, Optimize Press or Elementor. Again, become an affiliate, get all your affiliate links. Hosting and domains, I think you can be an affiliate of Namecheap, you can be an affiliate of GoDaddy. So again, get all your affiliate links. Make sure you try to find things that are going to have recurrings, right? So you want to separate those from the other affiliate links. So you don't want to send people to things where you're going to get one-time sale and then that's just going to be it. What you want to try to do is you want to try to move people to things that they're going to be using and things that are going to be helpful. So don't go get an autoresponder you wouldn't use. Don't send people to a page builder you wouldn't use. In fact, what I would suggest that, you do some videos on you using the service, right? So that's a good way to kind of help to make the sale. When people actually go to those affiliate links, they make and they look at, what it is that you're sending people to. Here's the work where the work's going to be involved. You need to, wherever your customer is going to be watching these videos, you got to put all these affiliate links in the appropriate video. That's why I say you got to watch the entire course. And again, I understand it's a lot of work, but if you're not going to be launching this as a product, right? You're not going to be selling this as a product. One of the next best things is that you just monetize by having people watch the course and clicking on and getting the services from you. And that's why you want to go through the process of finding recurring services that are of high caliber, that are things that people are really going to be helped by. So, don't go get an autoresponder that, is going to be kind of, junky and they're not going to use, and get one that you would stand behind, or get the one you use, right? But the work's going to really come in when you put all those affiliate links by the most appropriate videos. If you're going to have them watch the video on the watch page, then you put the appropriate service. I would say you only put one on the page at a time. So if they're watching, I don't know, video 7, or video at hour, 2 hours and 13 minutes, and the appropriate video there is going to be for an autoresponder, the appropriate link is going to be for an autoresponder, that's the one where you want to put there. So again, put them on the watch page, put them in a place where people can click on them while they're watching the video, right? If you can do an extra video on you using the service, I think that's good. That'll help you to make the sale. But that's where the real work in this is. So you have the videos. Francis has done the work. What you're going to do is you're going to watch the course. You're going to know where to put those affiliate links by the videos. And again, you want to do the same thing with our bonus. So there are 20 videos on lead pages. Like if you get the front end, you get our 20 videos on lead pages. If you get the back end, you get our back end videos on lead pages. You need to watch all those videos too. And wherever you put them on, wherever you put it on the watch page, you put the appropriate affiliate link for that page, even if the appropriate affiliate link is nothing but lead pages, right? So even if that's the only one that you put on there for our bonus, then you want to make sure all of those links are right by the video as the customer watches it. So then your job then, okay, yeah, and you're going to, now the other thing is, I didn't mention this, was if you have PDF documents, right, help files, put affiliate links in the appropriate place in that document. That's work too, right? So everything that you can hyperlink in those documents that are going to be your PDFs, hyperlink them. Hyperlink them when people click on them, have them go to the services that you want them to see, right? So put all those links in those documents. Again, that's the work. So that's the work you have to put in if you want to monetize this. Now, again, you're just getting them, you're going to watch them, and you're just going to have them sit on your hard drive. Then this is not going to be worth your time. But if you're really trying to look to monetize this content and you're not going to be launching this as a product on a regular basis, then you need to affiliatize it by getting your affiliate links, solid services that are recurring payments that you get credit for the sale. And then your job then is to get as many people into that course as possible by any means necessary. Look at his rights. I haven't looked at the rights to what Francis is requiring for this. You look at the rights, make sure you're abiding by his rights, but then you get as many people into that course as possible, especially if you're not trying to sell it like a product. You're really just trying to get people to watch the videos and go to the services that you're setting them up for. That's what you're going to be doing. And most people who are watching this, that's most people are going to do. And it's viable if you're willing to go through the work. And once you do this, repeat the process, right? You get a source of videos, repeat the process. You're trying to get as many people to watch the videos as you can, to consume the content. And then basically what you're doing is you're monetizing without having to create your own products in that way. So you can get the first PLR videos, you get Francis PLR videos at the plrshow.com/Francis O. You'll see our bonus right there. There's a 20 videos on lead pages. Now, if you pick up the back-end videos, if you pick up his back-end course, you'll also get our advanced videos. There are 20 more videos on lead pages in addition to this. I would be less than a marketer if I didn't suggest that you get the best of our training. You can do that by going to the plrshow.com/insiders. We do training every Thursday. Now, this Thursday, I will not be doing insider only training, which are our Academy Video Academy Boss training, because I will be doing our annual Thanksgiving training. And we're going to be doing it, talking about expanding your network for 2023. I do this every year on Thanksgiving Day. I try to do it before the football games start. So if you're in the United States and you're worried about your football game, I typically do this before your game starts. So I don't have the link set up here now, but you can see, you'll be able to go to this link on Thursday. Go to the plrshow.com/Thursday PLR show. And then you will be in line for the training. I'll send you notice about when that's going to be and what's going to happen there with it. So once again, the videos that we're talking about are Francis's PLR videos today. You can get those at the plrshow.com/Francis O. And then also you will get our bonus there. Also, if you want to get our upsell bonus, make sure you pick up one of the upsells. So with that, thank you very much, everybody. I think I got you out of here in 15 minutes. So that was my goal. Excuse me. It's a nice little impromptu training for Thursday. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day and a pleasant tomorrow. Take care.